Exposing the danger in your medicine cabinet, a doctor arrested, and 10 families shattered after a simple cough syrup turned deadly. In early September, children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan were given Coldriff syrup for common colds. But instead of recovering, they relapsed with severe symptoms, leading to fatal kidney failure. Lab tests revealed a horrifying truth. The syrup contained nearly 50% diethylene glycol, an industrial toxin, far above safe limits. Dr. Praveen Soni, the pediatrician who prescribed the syrup, has been arrested, along with legal action against the manufacturer, Srisun Pharmaceuticals. Authorities have banned Coldriff across several states, with urgent recalls and investigations underway. This tragedy highlights the critical need for strict drug safety and vigilant regulation. Chief Minister Mohan Yadav has promised justice and compensation for the affected families, but no amount can undo this loss. Please, always check your medicines and stay informed. Lives depend on it.